CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
So it means 20 net. 25 days RP. But we pay within 20 days, 2% like discount will be given to us, so we'll use this one. That the net 25 days are the payment terms due date. But if you pay within 20 days, we'll get 2% discount. Okay. Okay, the fourth reference step. We have talked about, like Brazil, filling all those countries where they have for other, payment gate which you can use them. If a credit card procurement credit card is brought up by these supplier for us it's like MX Citibank. They have given a credit card to us. Then you can add a procurement credit card here. So P cards, we call them, is used to buy the stuffs and services from the. So we use the card and you make the payment to the supplier. So our basically one buyer would have that access to the card. And then they would have the option and right to procure the items for the companies. Always separate payments. So what does it mean? It means that, suppliers, that even if you want to pay 10 invoices payment to us, let's say folks, industry, saying that please send separate checks and payments to us all the time. Do not club our payments into one payment. So we can reconcile it also better. Okay, that's what they are saying. So it means all the separate payments do not pay during bank account of rates. What it means is suppose someone is updating their bank account payments. Okay. Or let me correct it. Someone is updating their bank account details. So they have an ICC account, but someone said they account for change and someone other team member was also looking at the supplier is changing the bank account details at that time. Apparently, somebody from the tragedy is also processing the payment of the supplier. So this payment will not be processed for the supplier, as someone is changing the bank account details. So in simple words, that it means default. So in the next one, this is developed by the integration team, where they will have an integration link from our account to their account which will process the payments. Okay. So that will be delivered by and developed by the integration team, not by us. We'll just put the name here of that integration. For example, let's see. I'm actually evidence we can do not use to notice. They have market. So we want to add this all integration system. So we don't have we have a lot of integration. So we'll just not use anyone. But the purpose of this field is to put an integration which will process the payment from our bank account to the supplier bank account. Then default supplier payment memo. Okay. So when we will process the payments? For the suppliers. Do you want to put any text on the checks that you know? Thanks for any goods and services that can put something like this. Thanks for your for so it. So any proposed shipmentable, this is the parent supplier and their proposed their children visit, you can add the children also, just like any other company, a client here, a spanker, you've seen that. And phone number, if you want to add any phone number. So we'll just say 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. And this will be a mobile. We'll have primary address, which he has, and it'll be used for billing and every twin shipping. That's if any other option is there. No. Then we'll add one address here, because you have to send the check. Then there should be an address also. So we'll say, 25th, Queenstown, 16th Twin Cross, New York State, New York. Okay. Post record, 1 number 013. And this will be primary address used for billing and every twin shipping. You can mark it for mailing, also other business, also storage, also street address, also tax reporting, also email. Let's say we'll say fox@gmail.com. This way, we would issue the purchase order also. So if you want to buy something in bulk, we'll send the purchase order. So for that we have to mark the procurement checkbox here. So any web address for this one. Can some? Come on, go up. Okay. Let's add this settlement bank account in which we'll process the payment to the supplier. So this would be supplier bank account, not our bank account. Remember, sometimes people get confused that this is our bank account, not our bank account. This would be supplier bank account in which they need the payment from us. So we'll say Fox, as they have submitted Fox payment account. Checking means current. So in US, they call current account as checking account. We'll use India here, because it's easy to remember the IFSC codes of Indian banks. So we'll just use India here. IFSC code. Don't see what's the state I've seen. 9 bank name. I'll say, as the FCL Limited, the BIC code of that bank, so normal, it's printed on the checkbook. If you look at the checkbook, they have this small code that is mentioned as the BIC code, account number. So we'll use the account number something like this name, one account, Fox Industries, and say Fox Industries. Now for which payment type this bank account would be used. So we'll just say, for all of this, payment types, like if you pay any of this method, what we have selected, this account would be used. Any address for the supplier that we can mention. Just say simply, let's say we need not copy from the other. No, it doesn't do that. If you want to add a Queenstown, why this is not scrolling up and down here? New York and post record, and this will be primarily address of the bank. So we are good with it. Text information. So if it's a US-based supplier, then you select this text, a 30 form type here, normally like 10, 19, and supply 10, 42, supply. Can Google what all this applies, okay, DS to the different categories of the supplier where you have to submit declaration or the previous to the or the text to the government. Okay, so there are different explanations to it. 10.19, and it's very famous for the suppliers. If you're assigned a tenant and its supplier, there's a proper way which you submit the text details to the government, to the US government. So we'll not that right now, if any text for now. See this part very interesting. So anytime, just like we saw in the customer also, we used to pick our customer, the land total, a 4% text for use to apply 4%. Same thing in here also. So anytime we use the supplier, 4% will come here.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.